Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hana Mutia Karunila. I'm from the afternoon class. My student number 321910066. And today I will make a video review as the final assignment of the English for Hotel course. This assignment was given by Bapak Dr. Aunur Rahman, and this video is about hotel staff and their duties, also about courtesies among staff. There is 2 units and I'll go with unit 1 first. There is about hotel staff and their duties. Talk about hotel. There is so much hotel staff that we can meet when we go to the hotel, like personal manager, and then generally we meet a receptionist. There's also chef that serve our foods, and there's also bartender. There's also waiter or waitress. There's also a banqueting manager or a catering manager. There's also a key clerk or room clerk. There's also a doorman, and there's also a switchboard operator. I mentioned the hotel staff before, and what is their duties? First, personal manager. Personal manager in charge of recruits new staff. They have a privilege to choose a new staff for the hotel. And then there is a receptionist. Receptionist welcoming guests, and then they are dealing with them when they check in or check out. They also helps them when they check in and check out, and also they receiving reservations from guests. And then what is chef duties? Okay, a chef preparing materials and ingredients for the reception of the hotel. There's also a bartender that make drinks for guests, and then behind the personal manager there is also a banqueting manager and a catering manager. A banqueting manager in charge of restaurant services, serving foods and beverage, and a catering manager in charge of a large group of guests eating at the restaurant. There's also waiter or waitress that take orders and serves foods for guests. And then a key clerk or room clerk, they give and take room keys from guests. And there's a doorman that responsible for greeting guests and helping them with their luggage and transport. And then the last one, there's a switchboard operator that deals with all the incoming and outgoing calls. Okay, for unit 2, courtesies among staff. So as a hotel staff, how being a courteous staff? Okay, and the unit 2 is about courtesies among staff. As a hotel staff, how being a courteous staff? Okay, there is a ways to being a courteous staff. First, you can making a request, and then you can responses to a request, and you can also making an offer to a guest. Okay, the first one, making a request. We can begin our sentence with a model like could you, or would you, can you, will you, may I, or shall we. And all of them can make with please and plus verb 1, or you can go with verb 1 too and end it with please. For example, when you go with could you plus please and plus verb 1, could you please show us a passport? And another example, when you ended it with please, you can go with could you show us a passport, please? There is an example for making a request to the guest. Making an over, and then making an over. To make our over more polite, we should begin our sentences with a model like would you like to, or would you like me to, may I, can I, or shall we. Okay, there's a way to making an over. You can go with would you like plus noun, would you like to plus verb 1 and blah blah blah, and then would you like me to plus verb 1 blah 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 blah, and then may I plus verb 1 blah 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 blah, and then shall we plus verb 1 blah 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 blah. Okay. And then how to respond? You can respond with yes please, or no thanks, or thank you, and then or respond to I'd like to but I blah 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 blah. Okay, for example, would you like me to blah blah blah, would you like me to get or bring you something to drink? Or you can go with would you like me to show up to your room? Okay, there's an example for making an over. Okay, finally for the unit 1 and unit 2, there is so much we can learn from these units. And for unit 1, we have opportunities to practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing about words that we can say, and the expressions essential for communication with people associated in a hotel. And we are supposed to get idea of how to make conversations, and we are supposed to be able to communicate well with any foreign staff or guests they associate within the future. And for unit 2, this unit gave an opportunities to learn how to be courteous by using polite expressions, and then how to especially making a polite request and overs, along with using most of the vocabulary that we have studied. And this beneficial for students to learn better both hotel vocabulary and grammar structures needed for communication in any hotel situations and in a daily conversation as well. So unit 1 and unit 2 about hotel staff and their duties and courtesies among staff are make us as a students can know more about the duties about hotel staff and how to be a good hotel staff, good hotel staff, and we can implement it the material that we have known when we go to the hotel. Okay, that's all that I can review from this unit. If there are still shortcomings, I will learn more from this. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.